too comfortable in this car, man. He's getting it too comfortable. Alright, what's up guys? So if you've seen the previous video, you know my friend has access to a Toyota Supra for the day. So obviously, you know, him being my friend, he's giving me the opportunity to take it out for a little spin. But first we're gonna go for a drive. But as you guys could probably tell, it's raining a lot outside. We're about to hit up the mountains, but before we do, we're gonna, you know, just stop by and get gas. So I'm gonna hop in the Supra and we'll see what that's like. But I'm just recording this intro inside because I don't want to be recording out in the wet. But we're gonna hop in this car right now and we'll see what that's like. Hit it, Sean! Yo, that sounds really good. I can't even lie. Thank you, thank you. Oh my. Whoa. Okay, it's actually not that bad. This is how it looks, by the way.
Fun fact, if you leave it in paddle shifter mode, right, and you're using it, and you don't change gears for more than like 5 to 6 seconds, it automatically changes back.
Oh, really?
Yep. So it goes back to auto.
If you hit the paddles, would it go back?
Yep.
All right, how do you move this BMW shit?
Alright, so you gotta go like this, and then you gotta like...
Wait, there's a button? Okay.
Yeah, hit the side button.
Okay, yeah. It definitely keeps the... Oh, I hear the little pops.
Yeah, you gotta be involved with that.
Ooh, I like that. I like that, Sean. I wish my car would do that. It's still short shifting though, by a lot.
Yes, I know. We can use the paddles to turn.
Ooh. I see what you mean. Switch back to drive because I kept it in second gear. Yeah, save yourself some money. He said you leave it back at the gas that came in. Alright, so we just stopped to get gas real quick on the Supra. Honestly, it's a really fun car to drive, not gonna lie. Yeah, gas is kind of expensive upstate though.
Well, where I live, like, I go to one that's cheaper than the one that Jerry goes to. Mine's like $4 and some change. This is like almost $5.
Yeah, we're used to like $4 premium. This is like almost $5. It's $4.80.
Yeah, you pay like $4.50 at the moment.
Yeah, I pay $4.50.
The BP I go to is like $4.10 maybe.
Yo, this guy's eyeing us down, bro. The guy in the alley behind us, just like staring at us. You know, but it is what it is. It's a really nice car. I really like it. Huh? 8 gallons? Alright, so we're at the mountains right now. Got my car over there. We were just doing some pulls, but Sean's gonna give me a ride in the Touge in the Supra. So it's gonna be, yo, these cars grip. Like, I thought we would lose traction because the floor is wet and everything, but no, it's gripping.
Yo, PS4S's, bro.
And the car sounds really good too. Oh, yo! The torque is good.
Even when it's like not going like dumb fast, it's just the torque. Oh.
Yo. Ignore this mount here, guys. I was just recording for something earlier, but. Oh. Yo, it's good. Oh my god, these seats are so much better than the one of the RX-8. Yo, I think I need bucket seats, guys. Oh shit. This shit fast. Yo. Yo, this feels good. I like these seats. It's keeping me in. It handles great. Oh shit, Sean. Oh! Yo, the burbles are so good. Alright, like Sean's a little bit too comfortable in this car, man. He's getting it too comfortable.
Yeah.
No, Supras are, this is insane. I'm like sweating here.
Oh, there's a parking thing. Oops.
I don't know. It's pretty good, Sean. I think you gotta get a Supra now. Like, forget the Z. You gotta get a Supra now.
I'm not driving it for this. I'm driving it to daily drive that one.
Look, this would be a good daily driver too. I know for sure.
Yeah, but it's got more trunk space than this one.
You'll be fine. This is nice.
Yeah, but the seats are nicer. Everything's nicer on the inside. I just like that car. I'll admit this is a better car all around. But like, hey, I like the Nissan aesthetically.
Can I drive down?
Yeah.
I'm really nervous here.
You gotta put my seatbelt on. I don't trust your driving, Jerry.
You're the one that went crazy, Sean. All right, so once this reverse first, right?
Proof. No, bro, just drive straight and do not enter. You'll be right.
You went really far up.
Yeah, I know.
All right, forgot there's reverse
I
camera.
was gonna say, you got a lot of space. Well,
Traction control's on, right?
yes. Why do you
Okay,
think
cool.
You would have done any of that without traction control on?
Look, yeah, Sean went crazy down, going up, and like, you know, I'm just gonna, it's my first time in this car, I'm gonna take it safe, like, you know, any regular person should, but this is nice. Yeah, you see, Sean, I'm taking it like, you know, a casual speed here, not flooring it around these corners. The steering does stiffen up, and I really like that. Yeah, I wonder if this car has like plumbed in speakers. Oh, he's letting us pass? Oh no, I thought he was letting us pass. Got a lot of grip. Like, I'm not even pushing it, I just feel it like gripping. Yep. Honestly, the steering feel is really good. And the seats just keep you planted. Unlike my car, I'm sliding around. Yeah, I think the seats just gives you a lot more confidence as well. Because when you're sliding around, I just feel like I'm gonna lose traction. It's definitely a lot more scary in the RX-8.
What happened?
It's a lot more scary in the RX-8. Yeah, this car it gives you a lot of confidence, and I like that. This car is so good. How do I look?
I'm not answering that.
I might need to buy one of these.
They came out with a manual.
Yo, I know, but automatic feels so good too.
Yeah, I know.
I haven't, like, this is legit my first time driving like a modern automatic. Is this dual clutch? I don't know.
No, it's the 8-speed. What is it? BMW transmission. The ZF.
Damn, this is really nice. I like it a lot. What are your final thoughts on the Supra? Personally, I really like this car. Like, if I had the money, I think I'd buy this car. But for around like 50, like high 50s, mid 50s, right, for the 3-liter one, I think I would just get an RX-7 because that's my like all-time dream car, and it's in the same price point. I don't know.
I still like the Z a lot. Granted, this is a nicer interior, a better cabin, and it puts the power down so well.
Yeah,
but I just like the design of the Z. It's just personal preference. This car is great. This car is probably better.
I wasn't like, you know, I wasn't like siding with one, like between the new Z and the Supra. I was like, I think I'd take any one of them. But after like driving and sitting, like, you know, being passenger in this, I think I like this a little bit more.
It was fun.
It's fun.
That road we went on the way there that you didn't get, you got it on the way back, right?
No, I didn't record it.
I hate you.
It was traffic anyways.
It doesn't matter. It still looked amazing.
Yeah. But yeah, on our way back here, there was like this really nice mountain
path. On the way there too.
Yeah,
you missed it twice.
It's fine. It's fine. It was just traffic, so you know, I was just cruising.
I ought to strangle you.
All right. Well, that's it for this. That's it for the Toyota Supra. It was fun while it lasted. I don't know, maybe we'll drive another one of these days, but until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.